Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in 2016 Hyundai Genesis key fob. Start by removing the physical key from the fob using the small release tab. Pry open the seam gently with a flathead screwdriver, working around the edge to avoid cracking plastic. Remove the old CR2032 battery by lifting it from its holder note orientation, then place the new battery in the same way and snap the case closed. Begin by sliding out the emergency key and setting it aside. Insert your flathead screwdriver into the seam and apply gentle pressure to loosen the shell without cracking it. Work your way around the fob edge until the halves separate cleanly. Keep small parts together so nothing gets lost during the battery swap. Handle the circuit board carefully and avoid touching exposed contacts or components while the case is open. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, so I recommend Little Tree's Black Ice as a quick, pleasant-smelling companion after working on your key fob. It's a small, fun way to reward yourself for DIY success. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the case open, observe how the CR2032 battery sits so you can match orientation when installing the new cell. Gently lift the old battery straight out and discard it properly. Place the new CR2032 into the holder, ensuring the correct polarity matches the original. Reassemble the fob by aligning both halves and pressing together until you hear a secure snap. Then slide the emergency key back into place and test all buttons and remote start if applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.